I got something special in the mail. Well, not really like super special, but like special to me because it's my first part that's going on my car. Right. So it's right over here. I got a Vortex Generator, and I think it's hydro dipped carbon fiber. Is hydro dipped real carbon fiber, or is it like considered fake? Well, anyway, yeah, I'm gonna be installing this, and also I'm gonna do the license plate LED swap real quick. Okay. Doing the LEDs for the license plate first. It's pretty simple. You just gotta pop all these clips off on every end. I'm gonna be using a flathead screwdriver, and just to show you, you just stick it in there like that. Bang, that's it. Gonna do all the sides. Now that we have access to the wiring for the bulbs, it's these two right here, I believe. Yeah, should be. All you gotta do, turn it left clockwise, bang. 1, 2. There you go. Pop it out. Kind of hard to do it with one hand. Just pull it out like this. Grab your new LEDs. Should look something like this. And then, so I know these things you only can put it on one way. So you just wanna jam it in there and then test it out first before you put them back in. Make sure both of them light up. Right, so I think none of them are going on, so I think I put both of them on the wrong way. Swap them, bang. Pretty simple, easy install. Yeah, I still got the paper plates. But yeah, better than the stock yellow ones. Looks nice. Alright, now on to the Vortex Generator. What you're gonna need for this install is double-sided tape. This one came with the kit, and I would recommend you get like 3M tape, because this one is like really cheap. Like I tested it out. I have a spare one. Let me go grab it. Yeah, I have a spare one right here. It's the exact same brand. And when I peel it and I touch the sticky part, it doesn't really stick. I can take my finger off real easily. So you don't want this thing flying off the freeway. So I went ahead to Home Depot, picked up Scotch 3M outdoor tape. And yeah, you're gonna need a razor to cut the 3M tape. You're gonna need the spray. Don't mind my thumb. I cut it yesterday when I was helping my friend out tint his windows. And you're also gonna need a microfiber just to wipe off. So in the spray bottle, I have just soap and water. You're gonna wanna take off the wax or whatever coating you have on your car. On mine I have a ceramic wax hybrid spray on it. Yeah, so you can see all that beading. But yeah, let's get to it. finished product. I think it looks pretty nice. Sorry about the short video, guys. I don't have my camera at the moment, so I'm using my phone to vlog. If you like this Vortex Generator, give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, I think it really complements the antenna and gives the rear end a more aggressive look. Yeah. That's gonna be it for today's vlog. I'm gonna try and post at least once a week, so make sure to hit that subscribe button. I have more stuff coming in the mail. I ordered a couple more things, so if you want to know what it is, subscribe. But anyway, I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Peace.